Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm reviewing a product that fits the bill of sometimes the best, coolest products are really the simplest. And this is just a double solo cup holder. It holds solo cups and markers for parties and events, and it's very simple but very cool. Let's just go ahead and open it up so you can see exactly what it is and how it works. Get rid of that box, and there you go. This is what it is. It's just this cool box. Both sides read the same. Mark your cup and drink up on both sides. And then perfect holding room for two sets of cups as well as your markers. So let's put that down here. Got one set of cups here. One set of cups here. And then your marker goes here. And your marker goes here. You can put it either way, I think. Yeah, works better that way, I guess. So yeah, there you go. You put this on your drink table, and when people come in, you know, often you have solo cups or any type of cups, and you want people to write their name on it so that people can keep up with whose is whose and just use the same cup all night. And a lot of times you just have the markers laying around and the cups just kind of laying around. And this just provides a really great way to have those cups look good and have them together, have them a place for the markers to stay. And yeah, just adds a little bit of class to your solo cup arrangement. And it's perfect. And there's a little bit of extra space in here. So if you had cups that were a little bit bigger, those would fit. Obviously, if they're smaller, they'll fit. And just having those two markers and reminding everyone to mark your cup and drink up. Again, it is a very simple product, but really, really cool. Great thing to have for parties and events. Just set this on your drink table, and that way people have an easy way to access their cups as well as the markers to put their name on it. And that is pretty much all it is. That's what it does. Like I said at the beginning, very, very simple, but really cool and very useful product. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions about this, well, you shouldn't. But if you do, post them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.